Welcome to my project bazaar. Our project title is Mining Health Examination Records, a graph-based approach. Practice. The general health examination is an integrated part of healthcare in many countries. Identically, the participant at a risk is important for earlier warning and preventing interventions. The fundamental challenge of learning a classification model for the risk protection lies on the unlabeled data that consisting the majority of the collection dataset, particularly the unlabeled data describing the participants in the health examination whose exam health conditions are very greater from the health to very ill. There is no ground truth for the differentiating their states of health. In this paper, we are proposing the graph-based semi-supervised learning algorithm called SRG Health for risk predictions to classify in the progressive developing situations with the majority of the data unlabeled. In our process, we finally predict the user's health condition is normal or abnormal through their health information and also with their input data collected from the users. In our data flow diagram, first of all, we generating the databases for the patient's life, and we extracting the status and the follow-up patients depending upon their usage measurement. After that, we performing the database. Using the database, we find out the data mining process. After we performing the data mining process, here we creating the frequent item set. Here we using the association rule to predicting the users health conditions, and we finally applying some algorithms to detecting whether the user having that in a normal state or in an abnormal state. And here we also find out the user within the high risk diabetes, and we finally predicting the user state with their healthcare informations and the records. Our project title is Mine Health Examination Record, a graph-based approach. First of all, click that image, and after that, here we going to selecting and loading the data. Click the browse button, and in the data set, choosing the diabetset.txt file. In that, containing the user information, health informations. After that, we applying the pre-processing steps to removing the unwanted data in the data set. And we load these data into the database, and after that first we insert it. After reviewing the records in table, and then next here we split up the status patients and the follow-up patients. The status patients is the patient who are all having the diabetes or what some other diseases from the earlier state. In the follow-up patients, those are all having the diabetes or some other diseases in the starting level. And after that, we applying the rule selections. For that rule selection, we choosing the file sim.txt. In that, we already framed some amount of some different types of symptoms. Depending upon them, they having the high risk. After that, we choosing the symptoms. Then click that support value. After that, confidence. We calculate the confidence value, and we applying the rule mining. Depending upon their support count, it filter out the results. And then after we calculating weight loss, here we finally find out in the high risk patients. These are the high risk patients belonging to these two categories. Here we find out in the relative patients coverage and their relative records and the overall records. So the overall records is 700, and here we find out in the 33 patients having the high risk, and here we click testing. For testing, here the user is a valid user, means enter the username and password, otherwise click the new user. In that, enter the username and clicking the state. Click the register button. Okay. Now we enter the username and the password. Valid user. It moved to the next page. Here the user have clicky. Okay. Now we enter the WBC count, and after that hemoglobin count, the RBC, and we enter in the platelets and the level of water. And here we first of the encrypting and send it to the name healthcare system. After that we run the health frame.java. Okay, here we having the user ID. These are the informations. There are WBC, hemoglobin, RBC counts, and clicking the patient result to detecting whether this patient is in a normal condition or abnormal condition. This patient is abnormal condition. For 4, they are in normal condition. For 5, they are also in normal condition. And 6, he or she in abnormal condition. For 7 is our information. It predict it is an also abnormal patient. It detecting their patient is a normal or abnormal through their informations given in the user frames. And here we finally we analyzing the patients through their health records and also by their hemoglobin levels. Through the we find out in the patient in a normal or abnormal conditions. Thank you.